Hello, first graders, and welcome to another lesson of meeting characters and learning lessons. Have you ever had a fortune cookie? Do you know what's inside? Well, a fortune cookie is a crisp and sugary cookie with a piece of paper inside that usually has some kind of message or lesson written on it. It might say things like, make new friends, don't give up. If you never try, you will never know. Today, I want to teach you that stories are like fortune cookies. When you open up a story, you find there's a little life lesson inside of it. Once you've had an adventure, you often think back on it and realize that the experience taught you something important. Books are like fortune cookies, each holding life lessons. Remember back when we read the story Ish? Well, what lesson did we find in that story? The lesson was do your best. Your best is good enough. How about the story Frog and Toad? What lesson was in that book? The lesson was friends are always there for each other. Well, are you ready to try some on your own? Let's think of some stories we know very well. How about Little Red Riding Hood? Well, what life lesson did Little Red Riding Hood learn? She learned to obey your parents, don't take shortcuts, don't talk to strangers, and if it doesn't look right, it's probably not right. Well, now let's try this strategy with one of your own books. To find the lessons in your books, you should focus on what the characters realize when the problem is solved. After you finish reading your book, reread the ending to see how the problem was solved. Make note of the lesson learned, write it down, and send it to your teacher. All right, readers, off you go.